teach at Athena Academic English in China. At Athena, children aged between 4 and 15 come to us after school on the weekends to improve their academic reading, writing and analytical skills in English. Each month we ask our teachers to recommend a book that might be suitable for our parents and students to read at home. I'd like to recommend a book for our December theme, Christmas. Christmas is one of our favourite times here at Athena. It's a time for celebrating with family, decorating a tree, exchanging gifts and eating lots of delicious food. And it's the perfect opportunity to get your children interested in a Christmassy book like this one. The Christmas Toy Factory is a fantastic story in the Geronimo Stilton series by Scholastic. Geronimo Stilton is a mouse from Mouse City, the capital of Mouse Island, with a passion for writing adventure stories. He's also the main character of this Christmas-themed special that's wonderfully colourful, funny and engaging. In this book, Stilton and his friends are super busy at the office getting ready for the holidays. So busy that he almost forgets Christmas. That's until he gets word that someone very special needs his help, and he finds himself on an adventure to the North Pole. Every page has something new to grab your child's attention. Crazy fonts, annotated pictures, maps, letters and fun activities, even crafts, built into the main story. It will definitely get you and your children in the mood for a story-filled and unpacked Christmas. The title is The Christmas Toy Factory, the author Geronimo Stilton, and the grade equivalent level is 3.5. Let's read a few pages together. Inside Santa's workshop. Massaging my snout, I stumbled into Santa's workshop. What an amazing place! The sound of whirring and buzzing machines filled the air. Elves bustled about here and there, making dolls and baby blocks, toy trains and tracks, baseball bats and balls, and soft, cuddly teddy bears. Some tapped away at computer keyboards, programming the latest video games. Others were busy painting smiling faces on dolls in all different sizes, shapes, and colours. There were so many things to look at, I didn't know what to check out first. Then I noticed a small printing press. It was churning out a stack of children's books. How perfect! I mean, what better gift is there than a book? Just then, an elf working at the printing press noticed me. Hey everybody, it's Geronimo Stilton. He's come to help Santa, he shouted. 3 cheers for Geronimo Stilton, another elf added. The room erupted in cheers. I felt so welcomed. I felt so honoured. I felt so much pain. I looked down. Ding Dong had just dropped a heavy wooden box right on my paw. I let out a yelp. Cheese niblets! Oops. So sorry, Mousie, Ding Dong smirked. Stay calm, I told myself as I gnashed my teeth. When we're reading books in our Athena classes, we like to focus on a reading skill that's relevant to the book and useful to the student's deeper understanding of reading. Because this book is set in a crazy fictional world filled with characters with huge personalities, it's really descriptive. So it's perfect for helping students develop their vocabulary. Unusual words are highlighted in different fonts and colours that give clues to their meaning. Students will enjoy identifying new adjectives and verbs that they can use in their own creative writing. At home, it's useful to practice summarising and predicting with your kids. You can ask them to tell you the story so far, and predict what they think will happen next. When they tell the story in their own words, they'll engage with what they've read and be excited to see if their predictions come true. As they read more of the series, they can get to know Geronimo and his friends, how they think and behave, and develop their understanding of character. If you'd like more book recommendations, or you'd like to know more about how Athena Academic English can help your kids develop their reading, please take a look at our website, www.athenaca.com. Enjoy your reading!